Welcome to the WipeOS guide for securely erasing iPhones, iPads, and Apple Silicon Macs. For the best workflow, we recommend using a Windows PC as your wiping station. Start by network booting your dedicated wiping station into WipeOS and navigate to the Apple Devices tab. Before connecting any device, you must select a drive to store the Apple firmware files, then click Prepare Drive to format the storage location. Because Apple firmware files are often over 2 gigabytes, the initial download for a new model will take longer, but these files are saved and reused for all future wipes. To wipe multiple iPhones or iPads at once, connect them to a USB hub. Then plug that hub into your PC. Once connected, place each device into recovery mode. For Macs with Apple Silicon processors, such as the M1 through M4 chips, the architecture is different. Please note that due to Apple's hardware security design, WipeOS will not display installed RAM or exact storage capacity for these devices. This is expected behavior, and all data is still securely erased and verified. Next, enter DFU mode. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until the Mac powers off. Press and release the power button, then immediately hold left control, left option, right shift, and the power button. When the screen goes dark, release all keys except the power button, holding it for 3 more seconds. The screen will remain black, and the Mac will appear in WipeOS. If the device icon is orange, simply retry the DFU process. Once your Apple devices are successfully connected and recognized, select the ones you want to wipe, or toggle All. Enter any relevant job requirements and click Start to begin the erasure process. You can monitor the progress on screen, and when the wipe is fully complete, a green success message will appear.